Genesis chapter 28. The sun was still low in the sky when Isaac called his son Jacob. His voice was firm, yet filled with blessing. "Do not marry a Canaanite woman," he instructed. "Go to the house of your grandfather Bethuel, to your uncle Laban in Padan Aram. There, take a wife from among your mother's family." And with the authority of a father and the faith of a patriarch, Isaac blessed him. "May God Almighty bless you, make you fruitful, and give you many descendants. May He give you the blessing promised to Abraham, to you and your children, to possess this land." Jacob obeyed, but behind this journey was another reason. His brother, Esau, still burned with anger, plotting revenge for the stolen blessing. To protect Jacob, his mother Rebekah urged this journey. When Esau saw that his parents disapproved of Canaanite women, he tried to please them in his own way. He went to Ishmael's family and took another wife from among Abraham's relatives. And so Jacob set out alone. The road was long, the future uncertain. As night fell, he found a lonely place to rest. A stone became his pillow. The desert night wrapped him in silence. Then it happened. Jacob dreamed. A great ladder stretched from earth to heaven. Angels moved up and down its shining steps, and above it stood the Lord Himself, speaking, "I am the Lord, the God of your grandfather Abraham, and the God of Isaac. The ground where you lie, I will give it to you and your descendants. Your family will spread in all directions. All nations will be blessed through you. And know this, I am with you, I will protect you wherever you go, and I will bring you back to this land. I will never leave you until I have done all I have promised." Jacob awoke, his heart pounding. "Surely the Lord is in this place," he whispered, trembling. "And I didn't know it. This is none other than the house of God. This is the gate of heaven." At dawn, he took the stone he used for a pillow and set it upright as a memorial. He poured oil on it and named the place Bethel, house of God. Then Jacob made a vow. "If God will be with me, protect me, provide for me, and bring me home in peace, then the Lord will be my God. And from all that He gives me, I will surely give Him a tenth." With that promise, Jacob continued his journey, carrying not only his father's blessing, but now God's own promise burning in his heart.